Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone is surviving well. So we have another item here from Levergear, and I want to thank them for sending this out. I do want to make the disclaimer, they did send it out at no cost to me, so just make sure you're aware of that. So this right here is the Levergear cable kit, and you can currently find it for $16.95. So let's take a look at it. It is a high-speed keychain charging cable with data. It's a very compact one. So inside the box you get the cable, and you also get a configuration or feature chart, and you get a coupon code for an additional adapter kit. And then so we have the cable and case right here. To give you a size comparison, that's a CVV Elementum, pretty small, and it does have a clip here, so you can clip it on the inside of an EDC pouch or your pocket. So let's take a look at the cable itself. So that's the cable, and inside the case you get an additional adapter. This is a USB Type-C to micro USB, and this is the case. Inside the case you have additional storage for an SD card or a SIM card, and you also have a SIM card removal tool right here. So let's take a look at the cable itself. Like I said, it is high speed charging and data. And you can put the adapter right there, and you can get it in either Type-C, Lightning, or micro USB. And the adapters come in any configuration you could possibly think of. There are 6 configurations. So take a quick look at, so that's a very ginormous charging bank, and a old phone. I don't know if it has any juice left in it, but yeah, it works. It works great. Look at that. An old phone that's brought back to life. So that is the Levergear cable kit, found on Amazon or their website for $16.95. As always, I appreciate everyone watching. I hope everyone's having a great day, and I will see you next time.